Assalamualaikum and Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tuba Sheikh and today's video is something that I haven't included in my channel and I'm doing it today. That is on 19th September because I am traveling from Mumbai to Hyderabad by flight. So I thought why not make a vlog and update you all about the traveling experience during Unlock 4 and also the rules and regulations to be followed during this time.
Right now I am at the Mumbai airport because I'm going to Hyderabad with my family. Mommy say hi. एंड हमारा सारा प्रोसेस हो चुका है. सो जब मुझे टाइम मिलेगा आई लेट यू गाइज नो कि क्या क्या लगा प्रोसीजर एंड व्हाट वर द डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस बिकॉज हम थोड़े से लेट हो गए थे. सो इसलिए मुझे फिल्म करने का टाइम नहीं मिला. सो यस, अभी हम वी आर अप्रोचिंग टूवर्ड्स आवर गेट. सो या आई विल सी यू गाइज देयर. बाय. भाई से हाय. Sandwich. ओके तो हमें ये पूरा चल के जाना है. वी जस्ट हैड आवर सैंडविचेस एंड चाय एंड वी आर वॉकिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ द शॉप्स आर क्लोज्ड. वेल यहाँ पे KFC, सबवे, एवरीथिंग वॉज क्लोज्ड. सिर्फ इंडियन फूड ही ओपन था. ओह दैट्स फाइन. हे, वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड ऑल आवर फॉर्मेलिटीज़ एंड अभी हम हमारे गेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. या
Now as you can see we are waiting near gate number 51.
Show. Are you ready to wear this? Yes. सो जो मिडल आइल है उन्हें PPE किट दिया गया है एंड हमें दिस शील्ड, मास्क एंड सैनिटाइजर्स. सो हमारी प्लेन है कितने बजे की मम्मा? 3:45. अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है? 2:35. सो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर 1 more hour एंड फिर अनाउंसमेंट होगी. फिर हमें जाना है बाय वेयरिंग ऑल दीज किट एंड एवरीथिंग. मम्मी ज़रा दूर जाओ, लेट देम सी. हमें नॉर्मल किट दिया है एंड जो मिडिल आइल में हमको PPE किट. इट्स लाइक अ रोड. एंड अभी आई गेस बोर्डिंग शुरू हो चुकी है एंड वी हैव टू बी इनसाइड. सो आई सी यू इनसाइड द प्लेन. Hi, Mama. Hello, bye. And let's go. Let's go. अम्मी संभालो. डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ये शील्ड नीचे से पूरा धुंधला है. या दैट्स अ माइनस पॉइंट बट.
So right now I am in Indigo flight. As you can see, a very few people have boarded this plane and everyone is wearing the safety kit provided to us, and this plane has been fully sanitized before boarding. And here's a quick family selfie right before takeoff. And also our flight is on time and I recorded a small time-lapse takeoff video. Now let's move on to the procedure we have to follow while making our journey. Before embarking upon our journey, we have to do certain things like web check-in. This is compulsory, guys. If you forget, then you have to stand in a long queue to get your boarding pass. Then you have to fill health declaration form online. Otherwise, you have to fill it at the airport and it takes a lot of time. You need to keep boarding pass ID proof handy while entering the airport. You also need to download and install Arogya Setu app and fill your details. Make sure you read the state-wise quarantine guidelines available with every airlines. After reaching the airport, we took our boarding pass printout and went to Indigo counter to drop our luggage. Then we passed through security check. Well, that was normal. And also your body temperature will be checked twice throughout your journey. And finally, we have landed at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, and now the buses are there waiting to take us to the airport terminal. And also, let me tell you one thing, that you might face turbulence throughout your journey because of rainy season, and I think that's quite normal. And if you aren't used to this thing, then make sure you avoid traveling during this season. Baggage check.
Yes. Okay. Oh. Sorry.
So this was my first informative vlog about traveling during Unlock 4. If you have any queries, do mention in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Allah Hafiz.